designer. Okay, we're gonna go with a preset again. This time, go for large spaces. Go for halls. We'll go for the focal hall preset. Okay, I want to bring up this reverb to about max, and then we'll bring down the dry signal. Let's listen to that. Whoa. Okay. Okay, next, it's not enough reverb for us, so we'll add some more. Again, we'll go into reverb, space designer. Okay. This time we'll go for a plate reverb. We'll go for the hot plate. I'll bring this up a little bit again. That's a big sound. Okay, and I reckon now we should EQ. I'll take out the very bottom end, anything under 80. What we'll do, there's a frequency around here, flatten the key, that's not very nice, so I'll try and find that. That's it. Yep. So we'll get rid of that. Around 3.4. There we go. And we'll just increase the shelf here just to compensate for that. There we go. That's better. Okay. What we do now is, again, we want to bounce this out. So what we'll do is we'll bounce in place again. Okay, so bounce in place. Okay. We mute our original track. So this one. What I want to do with this now is double click it. This brings up our sample editor. If we go to functions, we can reverse it. There we go. We have a reverse crash cymbal. Fantastic. Okay, I'll mute this. Now we'll place this throughout the track where we want it. So, firstly, I'm gonna put it in the intro. A little tip: if we double click this, we can go on here. This is our anchor point. So if we place our anchor point at the end, okay. Now when we move this, the anchor is on the left hand side. Sorry, the right hand side. So it's easier to actually line it up. So let's have a listen to that. It's a bit loud, but it does the trick. Okay, so we want this again repeating, maybe again repeating here. Okay, next up, we're going to add some uprisers. Okay, so I'm going to add one stereo. Get rid of this. Okay, you'll find these in the sample pack. So I'm just going to load them into the project. Some effects. I'll have the sweep up. Now I want to do the same with this. Move the anchor point to the right hand side. We can then line this up. Okay, let's hear them together. Okay, crash is still still way too loud. Bring that down. It's sounding good. Move this crash slightly back. That's good. So now I just want to repeat this sweep where it's needed. Go again. And I've also created a sweep down. So what we'll do is just import that as well. Back in the same place. Sweep down. Okay, place that there. Now put one here, and put one at the end of the truck. Let's see how that sounds. That's nice. Play at the end here. Actually, we'll have this here instead. Fix the piano up here. The last thing I want to do is just add in some crash cymbals. So in order to do this, we need to go back into our kit, edit, and we're going to add the crash cymbals in again. So we do is we find our crash cymbals, drum hits, cymbals, some crash. So we'll go for these two. 1, 2. Again, we need to select the range. So I'm going to put on one shot and take off pitch. And then we need to root these out. So let's root these percussion as well. We'll have the percussion going for a 3 and 4. And we'll have the crash cymbals going through 5 and 6. Okay, I'm going to save that and close it. We'll go back to our mixer. So 3 and 4, percussion. 5 and 6, crash. Okay, so we'll just want to draw these in now. So we'll get our pencil tool. There we go, one at the beginning of the track. Okay, we should have another one here. What we'll do here is we'll have 2. So first one we'll have there, and the second one we'll have on the first beat. So we'll listen to that. So I'm just going to repeat this now for the rest of the track, and I'll fast forward the video. Over crash cymbals in now. So what I want to do is open up the mixer and go to your crash channel. We want to compress this, so dynamics compressor. I'm going to use the VCA, really fast attack, long release, a bit more on the ratio, quite heavy compression, and we'll bring this down. Okay. very importantly, we want to send this to our reverb bus. I'll try it again. A bit more. That's a lot better. Okay, let's finish with effects. Next